Stop throwing away your toilet paper rolls, because I'm about to turn them into the cutest Snow White party decorations you've ever seen. Okay, so if you're throwing a Snow White party, you have to make these because they are seriously one of the easiest and cutest decorations ever. All you need to start are empty toilet paper rolls, yes, the kind you already have at home, and my Seven Dwarfs printable file. It comes with all 7 dwarves plus their hats, and it's formatted on US letter paper, so you can print it right at home. I printed mine on regular cardstock just to make them a little sturdier, but honestly, even plain paper works great. You'll get the file as both a JPG and a PDF, so you can use whichever you prefer. Once everything's printed, just cut out each dwarf and their matching hat. You don't have to be perfect here. This is a super forgiving craft, especially if kids are helping because you know they are sitting looking over your shoulder wanting to. What I love about this is that you can make so many of them for almost no cost. They're perfect for decorating the dessert table, lining a shelf, using as party table decor, or even placing around the room for a fun Snow White village vibe. They're lightweight, kid-friendly, and totally customizable. You can even make them ahead of time or let kids take one home as a party favor. Next, wrap the dwarf around the toilet paper roll and secure it with a little tape or glue. You'll see right away how it starts to come to life. Next, add the hat on top, fold the edges together with the round part at the bottom to form a cone. And that's it. Seriously, no painting, no complicated steps, no mess. If you want to make these for your own Snow White party, you can grab the 7 Dwarfs printable in my shop and start crafting today.